Hey guys, Ethan here. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to sync your Apple Watch and use it as a heart rate monitor with the iCardio app. So the first thing you need to do is open the iCardio app on both your phone and on your Apple Watch. Okay, so now that we're on this screen, you'll see in the corner here that it's ready to sync with both the phone and the watch. So when you exercise, you can do it with the watch only, or you can run with or exercise with your phone on you and do both. I think you get a little bit better accuracy when you do both. But if you want to have a little bit of less weight with you while you work out, you can do watch only and then it will sync later on. Okay, so next thing you want to do is go ahead and press the sync button. And you'll see that it changed the phone, and now it's trying to link up all the sensors. So sometimes you have to tap this wake your watch button. So you see the weather came in, the location, GPS, the accelerometer should kick in a minute.
5,
and then Apple Watch.
4,
okay,
3,
cool.
2, 1.
All right,
Workout
so
started.
The workout just started, and you can see that it's syncing the information. So my current heart rate is only 77 beats per minute, but if I were moving and working out, all of this would stay in sync. So I'm gonna end the workout. You can end the workout from either the phone or from your watch. Since you'll be moving around, I'll show you how to do it from your watch. So you can just swipe the screens, and you can see these are your heart rate zones on a graph. And as you exercise, your heart rate will go up. And then that's your BPM on that screen. This is your distance. That's your miles per hour, your speed. That's the duration of time. This is a cool way to display your heart rate, because as you run, you'll see this change colors and you'll know which zone you're in very easily. It'll also be in your ear though. And if you go to this screen, you can pause the workout.
Workout paused.
And you'll hear this in your ear. And then you can just end it, or you can do recovery. So since we're just doing a demonstration, I'm gonna press end.
Workout complete.
And then it'll sync up with the phone. Now, what if you have trouble syncing? Well, first, you may need to restart your phone and your watch in order to get a clean sync. The next thing you wanna try is going to this settings here and make sure that your sensor is actually on and actually connected. So manage sensors. Sometimes this Apple Watch thing will be turned off. I'm not sure why, but it just does that periodically. So just make sure you go in here and always that's on. So these are your sensors: your location sensor, your Apple Watch, and your accelerometer. If all three of these aren't turned to on, then it's not going to come on when you try to start your workout in sync. So now let's see what happens if we press sync from the watch. Okay, so see, it should work both ways. There you
5,
go.
4.
When it starts counting
3,
down and you see your
2,
heart rate, you're up
1.
there, then you know that it works.
Workout started.
Okay. So we'll cancel
Workout
it here.
paused.
We're gonna end the workout. Now we're gonna discard that. Now lastly, if you wanted to do watch only, you can go to the settings here, and you could do heart rate only. You could just toggle this setting right here. It says watch only. All right, it's hard to see on here, but so now if I go back, you'll see that it's just the watch icon here, and I can run without my phone and it's going to sync. So this is great to keep track of your heart rate. But now, as you see, it's not showing up here. I've done it without my phone before, and I believe it does. Oh, here it is. So it takes a little bit of a delay to show up, but you can keep track of your heart rate and do your intervals with your watch only. Only thing to watch out for is just not as accurate with it. I like the in my ear telling me when I'm moving from zone to zone, and you lose a little bit of the functionality when you're doing watch only. But the trade-off is it's lighter weight. It's easier to run without your phone. All right, so I hope that made sense. If you have any questions about this, just feel free to shoot me a message and I can clarify it. It is a little bit quirky, and again, you know, apps do change over time. So with every update, it could change from the time I recorded this video. So just make sure to go through the help menus, go to the app support if you're not able to connect. You should be able to connect any heart rate monitor in the same way that I just showed you how to connect the Apple Watch.